Welcome back to R for Economics. So in the previous one, we had this thing called attitude. And when we tried to find the mean of it, it gave us errors. And even if we tried to choose one of the items. Now, if we look at one of these columns, so ratings going all the way down, if we try to find the class of that, we find that it is actually numeric. So we could actually take the mean if we use the $ rating, which means that we're going to select this column from it. And we can see that we can get the mean of that column. If we added up all these things and divided by the number of elements, 30, we'd end up with that. Okay, so we can do things to this directly. Now, if it was still a problem, we can actually change the class of this thing. So we could actually say mean of the as.numeric and then attitude $ ratings. We can print that. So now we can see that this is coming out correctly. So we can actually change by saying, oh, well, this is actually a number. Could you read this thing as as a number? So if we change this to something else as integer, and there are a number of different things that we could actually change this to. We could do it as character. So if we did it as a character and we said attitude rating, and we name that thing Z, we said Z, it's going to see the quotations now are going all across it. So now we can't take the mean of Z because it's saying I'm not a character. So sometimes R gets confused about what types these are, and maybe one of these is showing up as a character string, so it doesn't understand. So we can change this back if we wanted to znum as numeric, and then just tell it to use Z. And then you can see that it's now got rid of the quotations and said, oh, I understand that this was actually a string. It should have been numbers, and I can now take the average of this, right? So I can now take the mean of znum, 64.633333. Okay, this has been another thing. So you can change the types, and you can also get information about the variable itself.